Want to improve your iPhone's cell service, but not sure how? We are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll give you 8 tips and tricks to improve cell signal on your iPhone. Now let's get started. If you find you have poor service in certain locations, it may be caused by physical factors such as certain building materials that degrade the signal. Try moving closer to a door or window, or step outside if possible. Changing your physical location can help you get a better connection to your nearest cell tower. Another physical factor is your phone case. If you have a very thick protective case on your iPhone, or something made of metal or other heavy materials, your case may be obstructing your iPhone signal. Try removing your case or switching to a lightweight case made of plastic or silicone. If those physical factors don't seem to be the issue, there are a few settings you can look at changing to improve your iPhone cell service. The first thing we'd suggest is to make sure your low battery mode is turned off. The low power mode on iPhone can help make your battery life last a little longer, but in doing so, it throttles the performance of other parts of your device, which can include cell signal and speed. Open your control center panel and ensure you have low battery mode turned off. While you have the control center open, you can try temporarily turning on airplane mode. This will force your iPhone to disconnect from any cell signal it may be connected to. When you turn airplane mode back off, your iPhone will automatically find the best cell tower in your area to connect to, and your signal should be stronger than before. If those quick tips didn't do the trick, see if you need to update your carrier settings. Open your iPhone Settings app. Select General. Then tap About. If a carrier settings update is available, you'll be prompted to update it here. Our next tip is to try manually selecting your carrier's network. If your iPhone isn't connecting well automatically, open the cellular section of your settings and tap Network Selection. If the automatic option is enabled, turn this setting off. Then select your mobile service provider from the listed options. Next, we'd suggest resetting your network settings. In your iPhone settings, select General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Then select Reset Network Settings. Note that this will also erase your saved Wi-Fi passwords and Bluetooth connections. Enter your passcode to confirm. Then tap Reset. This will restart your iPhone and your network settings will be reset. If you're still having trouble getting your iPhone to connect after trying all of these tips, we'd suggest getting in touch with your mobile service provider to see if they can help. They may be able to make changes to your plan or take a look at your phone to see if it needs to be fixed or replaced so you can get better cell signal when you need it. That wraps up our top tips and tricks to get better cell service on your iPhone. Want more helpful iPhone tips? Check out our full playlist of iPhone tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.